So, hi everyone, my name is Vaibhav. I'm from India and I've taken part in CS50 web development course. For this, we have to make some projects. So, this is my project 0. As you can see on my screen, this is the specification area of this project. There are 7 points which we have to cover in the project. I make the list of these 7 points. First, we will look into the first point. 3 pages. We have to make 3 pages named index, image, and advanced search. This is my project. The first page is index.html. The second is images. This is images.html. And if I go back and then go to advanced search, we can see that this is the third page, advanced.html. So we have cleared the first point. For the second point, the index file should show Google result. This is the first file, index.html. We were supposed to make it like that. This will work just as Google do. So if I type here something like for instance I type Howard and if I do Google search, it will show me the result of Google just like normal Google search engine do. This is nothing different. It will show me the result. Then I go back. So this is the point 2, that index file is showing some Google result, whatever the user typed the query. And the third is image page should show image result. And if you go back to images page, which is images.html, we can see the logo has changed and it's now Google Images. And the search bar, if I type something like cat and then I do Google image search, it will show me just images search on the Google area, on the Google search engine, but now it will show me just images, just how it was supposed to show. And at the third point, that point is done. Then at the fourth point, we were supposed to make a page of advanced search where these 4 input box should be there. Let's go back to the advanced search. As you can see, this is the advanced search of, just like Google, there are 4 columns, 4 rows and 4 columns where we can type anything and the result will show based on these words we will type there. For instance, I type Harvard here, then I type MIT here, then I type for example India, and then I type Mumbai. If I do now advanced search, you can see that the result consists of all those 4 words which I have typed in that 4 boxes. To check in the link, you can see that the first instance is using ASQ, the first result which was Howard. The second one is using ASEPQ. The third one is using ASOQ, and the fourth one is using ASEQ. So based on these results, based on these searches, the results should appear. If you go back, so the fourth point is also done, I guess. Yes. So the advanced search option should be vertical and designed like Google. As you can see, the design is just similar as Google. Even the font color, font family, the size, everything is copy pasted from Google only. Then the sixth point is I am feeling lucky button. As you can see, there is a I am feeling lucky button. So what this is supposed to do is, if we type something here, for example, if I type MIT here and I do Google search, you can see that all these links are related to MIT only. So this will show the all the links which can be related to this query. But if I do I am feeling lucky button, if I click on I am feeling lucky button, it will show me the first website only, the first website that will come after searching it. So if I click on I am feeling lucky, this will show me a redirect because of the security reasons by Google. But if I click on this link, this is the first link which was supposed to come on the search engine, but now we are directly in the website, skipping the whole part, the whole search engine part. Now if we go back, if we search all the, so the last point is Google aesthetic. The Google aesthetic design should be there. As you can see that this is definitely same as Google search engine. The logo, the aesthetics, the colors and the font, even the font family, the font size, everything is taken from the Google only. So this is my project 0 on search. So thank you.